DJM TV.
Meet the new face of Bayelsa girl child, a busy blessing Eradiri. My correct person there, I welcome you to this edition of DJM TV Daily News Update, the one channel where they give una correct and better gist and yarnings. Today we'll carry one better informate come for una. Now the new face of Bayelsa girl child, what they call Miss Ebizi Blessing Eradiri. Miss Ebizi Blessing now be the fourth person and the first girl to get first class honours degree for Niger Delta University, Amasoma, for law. And she be the first person from Niger Delta University, Amasoma, to get first class honours for Nigerian Law School. Miss Ebizi na 24 years old girl when graduate from Niger Delta University, Amasoma, when she take study law. She also be computer forensic examiner and she dey practice law for Lagos State. Ebizi come from Agudama Ekpetiama community for Yenagua local government area of Bayelsa State, but she grew up for Port Harcourt and she be the only girl when her parents get and she be second pikin. Miss Ebizi talk say when she hear say she get first class for law school, say she not believe am o, say na so she fall for ground start dey cry. Say the day when she hear the matter sef, she be there for NYSC camp and she got to say na proof say dreams dey true dey happen. Say because she work to get first class, she determine her and she work her, and by God's grace she sef she don get the first class. She say e no easy for her to come out with first class honours for school as she get times wey be say she nearly give up based on say money no dey as she no come from a very rich home. She say for school wetin come dey help her small to get money na small catering and event decoration jobs wey she dey do, plus the fact say other people dey pay her to teach them. See all those one na she come take use take raise money for herself for school. She say another challenge wey she even face for her law school for Niger Delta University na the fact say dem no get hostel for law students and e dey for place wey be say no dey too safe as e no easy for dem to get rent off campus, and because say to rent house for off campus sef na big money. E say and dem dey for area wey be like say thief people dey always dey come. Say also the area wey she even stay for school, electricity no dey. E say there today she dey use eyeglass, say na because she bin dey study with very poor light and na that poor light na come spoil her eye. Say even though say she get rechargeable lamp, say no be every time na light dey even dey to take even charge the rechargeable lamp sef. Say so she come dey use candle light take dey read. Say but she no let all those one discourage her at all o. Even the security challenge and everything for the area where she dey stay, e no let her stop her dreams from becoming a first class graduate. She even talk say another thing wey also motivate her na the fact say she come from a very humble background. Her parents not too get money, and you know say people go dey expect say they not too get money so she no go fit succeed for life. Say she no wan disappoint her parents, na im make her sacrifice her all for her to take make sure say as she go her school so she put her head down read her book to come out the best. Say but one of the biggest challenge wey she get during her law school na the fact say one time her friend come die, and that her best friend so na dey also dey follow her the way dem dey read. In fact dem dey read together. They say her name na Stanley. He say when the person die, say she nearly comot for law school say because it traumatize her well. Say but she come happy say for the Nigerian Law School for Lagos wey she go, Lagos campus, say dem dey sabi dey notice people well. When dem come see say she no dey too dey come class again, dem come dey call her, dey ask her say wetin dey happen, make you tell her wetin dey sup. She come tell dem wetin dey happen. Say her friend death pain her well. Say she not sure say she go fit continue for the school again. Say dem come carry her go therapy session. You know therapists na those people wey dey advise, dey counsel people. Say dem come carry her go therapy session. Say even when she dey write her bar exam sef, say she still dey mourn. Say that when she hear say she come out with first class, she thank God well. Say because e no easy at all. When the Bayelsa state governor hear say one of his citizens come out to double first class both for university and for the Nigerian law school. They come make her the face of Bayelsa girl child. Oh, not forget say before now, they don make Nengi, wey be one of the housemates for Big Brother Naija lockdown season, as the face of Bayelsa girl child. People come dey wonder say true, wetin go come happen to Nengi? A busy come replace Nengi, abi which one dey come dey for the matter? Well, the Bayelsa state government also clarify the fact say Nengi na entertainment section na she dey. So as she dey there, so she go dey encourage young girls to also go into entertainment, while a busy dey for the part of education, where she dey encourage girls say no matter their background wey dem for come, dem go fit make am education wise. Well, Ebisi don come outside come advise all the girls dem for Bayelsa state say school no be scam as dem dey talk am. Say make dem take their education seriously o, make no let anything discourage dem. Say e get many things wey go wan discourage dem, but make dem continue to dey push. Say she know say e no easy because she say she still suffer some things as she dey go school. Say but make dem no let people discourage dem. E say if e get anything wey dem dey go through, make dem no fail to speak up. Say if na something wey dem need advice, dem fit come to her, or e get other people wey go fit advise dem rightly for the matter. E say like she when she dey go school, she no receive bursary at all. Say even as the best graduating student from Nigeria Delta University, say dem no even give her grant. The money is supposed to even give her, they no give her. He say even then, as first class graduate, she apply for scholarship. Say but even the scholarship kpakpa, they no give her the scholarship. Say all this one are many challenges the way she face. He say but she no give up at all. Say she no let all those ones stop her dreams of becoming the best for wetin she dey do. Well, unfortunately, Ms. Ebisi Koto say her mama die for this January at the age of 60. Say she dey mourn her mama death. Say na even during the mourning period, na that she take receive call from government house say make she come for the award wey dem wan give am as face of Bayelsa girl child. She say well, after the burial she go back to the drawing board to weigh her opportunities dem wey dey for her for life. Well, Ms. Ebisi finish Nigeria Delta University for year 2018 and she come finish Nigeria Law School for 2019. Lagos campus, na then she for do her law school, but she also do her NYSC for Lagos State, and currently she dey work for Lagos State. Well, I don't know how una see this matter, but well, for me for her to even become first class graduate for law, e no easy at all, because I know say law na also big grammar na full there for person to fit cram all those ones. No there, come even graduate with first class. I will give her kudos. We say congratulations to Ms. Ebisi. May you not forget say as a girl child or as person wey get pikin, don't forget say girls can be anything for life. Just make sure say you put them for the right path, and with the right motivation, they go far for life. Another thing wey we dey always use wisdom take cover one kind na the issue of depression. If you dey go through something like Ms. Ebisi talk, don't forget to speak out, as many people dey wey go fit help you. Well, I don't know how you see this matter. Thank God say this girl she overcome. You drop your comment section. This story don inspire you, abi how you see am? Don't forget to like and to share this video. This na still DJM TV daily news update, where we dey give you correct gist. Abeg don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow us on all our social media platforms, and even for our website where we dey drop news. I still be your girl and sister, Laworo Favor, for DJM TV news.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like it.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask their questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV.